Sisters and brothers, Sairam to you all. Sometimes it happens, we used to sit there, Swami suddenly will call, go and speak. In organization meeting, we know what is the topic. Almost the same situation happened now. They said you go and speak. Normally we do when Swami says, we go near Swami, take Paramahansa. Slowly, carefully we'll ask, Swami, what to speak? Very compassionate, loving God knows Swami. He will help us. He will tell couple of or one or two incident. He will tell about that. Because Swami is not concerned about the speaker. God will ever be with us. That was the way he was trying to take. Ever as long as this universe is there, Satya Sai Baba will be there. But in the human form, he has to educate us. A lot of education he had done. That's why so many 15 Vakinis and 4,000 speeches. It all happened in 1968. I was 23 years old. And in those days, Swami will tell us, or tell my father, what are the work. Sometimes it will come with family, some functions. Which are the functions? We have never had opportunity. So my father said, we 5 sons. He bought 6 garland. We had 6 garland and basket. This time he said, when Swami comes, all of you put garland. We were all there in the darshan. There, when Swami will go for lunch time from western side to eastern side. Eastern side is the dining hall and western side is room. So that going and coming is 2 darshan extra. So we will hang on there only. That day morning 11 o'clock he went for lunch. While returning he looked at my father and said, bring the sons at 3:30. So we all went at 3:30. Garland, no, we had 6 garland also with him. He called us in. Lot of discussion. Good, interesting story in the sense there are values. I have no time. The point that came is he looked at us and so he asked me, Upanayanam Aitha, that is, have you got the Upanayam? I said, no, Swami. I asked my father, why? Swami, Bhagwan, Swami, my father prayed to Swami. Swami. I used to go to Hanuman temple, I used to go to Tirupati. Liking best, I don't know. Innocently I said, all are God, Swami, so many gods, Swami, I don't know. I couldn't reply properly also, which God you like best. Then he said, okay. Come near. His ears were, near my ear, his mouth was there and came to my right ear and told a mantra. Later only I know it is called Mantropatism. Honestly, I was not fully aware of all the things. We did Mantropatism. In Sanskritam, he asked me to repeat. I didn't repeat properly. Again he did it and made me to repeat 2-3 times. Fortunately, I got a paper pen. I wrote down in his what he said, no. You continue to repeat it all throughout your life. Whenever you are in difficulty, he told me and made me to live till today so that I can tell all of you, have your own Namasmarana. That is what he taught me. The Mantropatism is nothing but Namasmarana. Couple of words. Om Namo Narayana, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namo Vasudevaya, Allah, Yeshu, Sai Ram. The word Sai Ram is also a Mantropatism. So we must constantly learn to remember the name of Swami. The organization is meant for us. By doing Sairam, 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 all the work we do, we develop the habit of constant integrated awareness, as Bhagavan says. Develop that habit, the organization helps for us, for selfish purpose we are working. Society, one just he can close the eye. Once he told when this administrative block was built, when the Astivaram, that is the foundation stone was put, Swami was giving speech in Purnachandra and said, if I will, tomorrow it will grow like a tree and a new building will be there. This word he told to the audience in Purnachandra, if I will, tomorrow the building will be there, but it will be inaugurated next year. That Namasmarna is there. Time up? One more. Yeah, 1 minute. The second thing was, this morning I was telling Mr. Manohar Shetty, worth, please note. Because earlier he said, who can tell your last birth you remember? Only God can tell. Who told me? The God told me. First hand information only, when we do Namaskaram, you tell what you experience. So I am telling you how Bhagavan in your heart, not in the heart, in your lips, in your eyes, see Bhagavan in everybody, do service, remember Swami. The second incident, quickly I'll go through. In 1972, Swami not happened, he willed. Suddenly he told my father, bring the car, I'll come home. In the puja room, Swami called and told me, there is a family, ask them to come. They came. 3 mother and 3 girls. Called one girl and told me, she is your wife. Yes, Swami. I perform, I start Bhajan Mandali. My father framed everything, put the same picture in one row. All are same picture. And he used to take Aarti, means he loves Swami. Aarti song he will start 10 minutes. Om Jai Jagadishwara, repeatedly he will tell. Conference, very productive. It is a 95th birthday celebration we are planning, but it's a curtain rate for centenary. It is not only for 95th birthday, for centenary also must start working. Punjab, as usual, used to take the lead. I know the word Punjab means Bhagavan loves so much. You look at Kapoor sir, the veranda. Many times you would not have reached. I heard Swami will come to veranda, ask Kapoor has, Punjab Kapoor has come. He will ask that much of, through Mr. Kapoor, the name of Punjab we all know. Mr. Kapoor is so favorite to Bhagavan. You are all very blessed, you are all very lucky. And it is not a state conference. Other state presidents are here. It's an integrated conference. Other state youths are here. I'm sure it will be very productive.